Hey friends! Today we're going to create our penguins. Remember how we've been studying our oil pastel resist and we looked at our penguins? We're going to put everything together today. First, you're going to need some scissors, glue stick, one white piece of paper, one black piece of paper, and a small little orange paper, and your background paper, and your beanie and scarf that we took time to color. First, put everything aside. You're going to get your black paper and you're going to cut a U shape out of it, like this. See, and you cut around into a U. Work slowly. Notice how my fingers are away from the blade. And then you'll pop out with a shape like this. You're going to do the same thing to your white paper. Go around, and you're going to cut a U shape. Put your scraps to the side. So now we have two U shapes. Then you're going to get your big paper, and you're going to find a corner. This is a corner. A square has 4 corners. Pick a corner, any corner. I'm going to pick this one. And I'm going to take my glue stick, pop it off, and rub glue on the back side of this and stick it down. And then I'm going to put glue all over the white one and stick that down. And stick that down. Next, I'm going to take my white paper scraps and I'm going to cut out a circle. A circle. We're going to create the eyes for our penguins. Cut out a circle. There's one. You need a second one. Cut a second circle. See how I'm turning the paper? And boop, there they are. Next, I'm going to cut out all of my hat and my scarf. And then I'm going to glue it down. And there's my black, my eyes, my white, my scarf, and my hat. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my orange piece of paper and I'm going to rip it into a triangle. Make mine shorter. And there is a triangle. It's a little bit less triangle. There it goes. There's a triangle. This is going to be my beak. Happy creating!